Hare Krishna everyone.
Hare Krishna everyone, let's discuss about Srila Prabhupada's pastime during his childhood. Srila Prabhupada was very anxious, devoted, educational and adventurous during Srila Prabhupada's childhood. He was always wanted to make his own chariot to make Radha Yatra. So he could not afford to buy a cart. So his father buy a cart from an old Bengali lady. Then they amended the old cart. They both decorated, painted, and did modifications to the cart. Abhay insisted that it must look authentic. Gaur Mohan bought paints, and Abhay personally painted the cart and copying the Puri originals. His enthusiasm was great. Then let's discuss about Jagannath, how he appeared. The Radha Yatra festival, the parade of the chariots of Lord Jagannatha, Subhadra and Balarama, is yearly celebrated in the home of Lord Jagannatha in India called Jagannatha Puri. So, how the Lord Jagannatha appearance happened. King Indradyumna was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu and was eager to meet him face to face. One time, by the Lord's arrangement, a devotee of Lord arrived in the court of King Indradyumna, and in course of discussion, he began to talk about the incarnation of Lord Vishnu named Nilamadhava. So, one of his a Brahman named Vidyapati went to the King Indradyumna and informed of the discovery of Nilamadhava. The king went to the place of Sri Nilamadhava but could not find him. King besieged the village of Sabaras. Then suddenly a voice in the sky said to the king, "Release this Sabara. On the top of the hill you should construct a temple." Then the holy abode of Sri Kshetra or Puri is in the shape of conch. The king established a town of the name Ramakrishnapura and constructed the temple. When King Indradyumna became discouraged so much delay in seeing Sri Nilamadhava, and he decided to give up Indradyumna his own life, Lord Jagannath spoke to him in the dream as follows: "My dear king, don't be anxious. I shall come floating in the form of sea in my wooden form as Daru Brahman." But he could not move the Daru Brahman even after engaging many men and elephants. But that night, Lord Jagannatha again spoke to the king, saying, "Bring my previous servant Vishwasu and place a golden chariot in front of Daru Brahman." So Daru Brahman was then easily placed on the chariot and taken to the appropriate place. Then to guard the dietary of Lord Jagannatha, Vishwakarma came as old Brahmana. He promised he can finish the carving of dietaries behind the closet doors for 21 days. The king could not wait for 21 days. After 14 days passed, he could not hear the sound of artist's tool. He opened the door. He could see the old sculptures, but he saw the three forms: Lord Jagannatha, Subhadra and Balarama. In front of the dietaries, he saw three fingers and toes were unfinished. Then the king, thinking himself a great offender, decided to end his life. But Lord Jagannatha appeared to the king in his dreams. "I have no material hands and feet, but in my transcendental senses, I accept all the items offered in the service by my devotees, and for the benefit of the world, I move from one place to another." Hearing the words of Lord Jagannatha in his dream, the king became satisfied. Lord Jagannatha is delivering the whole universe, especially as the rides on the his court before the eyes of all. Therefore, I offer my prostrated obeisances to Lord Jagannatha, Subhadra and Balarama on the occasion of their chariot ride, and pray for them to forgive me for any offenses I have committed in the clumsy attempt, and describe to their glorious appearance. So now let us discuss about how we made the Ratha. We have done the wooden wheels. Then we had a cardboard, and above the cardboard we added 4 pillars. In the top the canopy we made with the glittery paper, and we added a flag. In the front you can see the Srila Prabhupada's picture. So we added the dietaries. Jagannatha, Subhadra, and Balarama. And in the back of the chariot, you can see Jayananda Prabhu. This is how we made the chariot.